Before performing any maintenance on your Robinair AC machine, make sure the machine is turned off and unplugged. You'll first need to remove the shroud. Start by making sure your machine is unplugged and turned off. You'll need a T30 and a T20 Torx bit to remove the 2 screws on the back of the shroud, one behind the oil bottle, and one on the side flap. To remove the oil bottle, use 2 hands and pull straight down. And use your T30 Torx bit to remove the screw in the front. Locate the T20 screw underneath the rubber flap on the side of the machine. With the bolts removed, gently tilt the shroud forward and lift up. It can be placed on the back side of the machine so it's out of the way when you're working. Locate the refrigerant identifier on the front of the machine, the sample hose, and the identifier filter. Do a visual inspection. If the hose or the filter are yellow or discolored, they will need to be replaced. To replace the filter, grab by the top and the bottom and gently pull away from the machine. To install the filter, ensure the top and the bottom are aligned in their sample ports and push back toward the machine. To replace the hose, simply unscrew the coupling and bring your new hose back in. Once complete, replace the shroud and begin to replace all the bolts.